An elderly woman in Ray County was flown to Knoxville after a rescue near Laurel Falls in Dayton. Good evening and thanks for joining us for News Channel 9 at 11. I'm Mary Beth Mangrum. After that afternoon rescue, that woman was airlifted by a Black Hawk helicopter. News Channel 9's Sarah Hauer was there at the rescue site and shares the steps taken by first responders. Sarah?
Mary Beth, first responders say it was a rescue that started with a fall and ended with a military helicopter lifting a woman to safety. Officials say it was her phone that helped them get to her so quickly.
We've got a buyout en route from the state.
It was a rescue you could hear before you ever saw it. In this video, you can see the moment a military helicopter airlifts a 78-year-old woman to safety. Officials say she fell about 20 feet while hiking through the rugged terrain of Laurel Snow State Natural Area.
Call air medical and see if there's a possible way that we might fly within the next hour to a medical.
You can hear in this broadcast radio traffic, rescuers coordinating how to get her out. Sergeant Todd Deli with the Ray County Sheriff's Office says the call came in just after noon and lasted more than 4 hours.
We responded to a hiker, elderly hiker who had fallen in heavy terrain and needed assistance medically.
He says crews from 5 different agencies worked through dense brush, extreme heat, and rocky terrain before calling for air support.
With such heavy terrain and also with the weather and her condition, we didn't want her condition to worsen any. So the quicker we could get her out of the terrain and to a hospital, the better.
A military helicopter out of Knoxville was sent to hoist the woman from the trail and fly her to UT Medical Center. We don't know the extent of her injuries, but officials say GPS data from her phone helped rescuers locate her fast.
Always hike with somebody, so if you do have an injury, they can make a phone call. Always have electronics with you so that you can call. We use the GPS to be able, from the phone, to be able to find exactly where she was, and that helped us locate her quickly.
Rescuers say it's not often they call a Black Hawk for a hiker, but in this case, every second counted. We're working to learn more about the condition of that hiker. Mary Beth.
Sarah, thank you. And you can find any updates to this story on our website at newschannel9.com.